All right, YouTube, going to be a quick video here. We have a 2021 Kia K5 lock, and that's the KK12 blank, which is the K5 Lishi. So any vehicle using the KK12 blank, you'd use the K5 Lishi on it. And this one's not too hard to use here, as I'm going to demonstrate in just a second. And if you want to see the actual key being cut, the next video, I think it's going to be maybe 598, I think is going to be the next video. I'll have it linked in the corner and floating on the screen at the end, will be this key actually being cut. What we'll do here to get started is enter the Lishi all the way in the lock as usual. And zoom in so everybody could see. Okay, I think that's going to be all right. And going just like with all Lishis here, just going to figure out where the wafers are. And so it looks like we're going to have odd numbers going up, and then even will be going down. And I'm just going to go through and look for binders. Okay, so 5 is actually binding. We'll tiny click on 5. And go and check the even numbers going down here. 4 is binding. Nice click on 4. Got some rotation. Okay, 6 is binding. Nice click on 6. And nothing on 8. So let's see. 6, 4. Okay, 4 is binding again. Another click on 4. That appears to be set. Okay, 2 is springy. Let's head back to 1. 1 is springy. Okay, 3 is binding. Got a tiny click on 3. Okay, 5 is binding. Nice click on 5, 7 binding. Nice click on 7 there. I don't know if you can hear the click, but I definitely can feel it. Go check even numbers again. Okay, and those all appear to be springy. All right, 5 is binding again. There's another click on 5. 3. 1's binding. And I bet we get an open. Yep, there we go. So we got the lock actually picked. And then as far as decoding goes, very straightforward. Let's start number 1 here. We got 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, and 5. So we got 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, and that gives us a valid code of D0625. And I'll probably throw Instacode up on the screen so you can check that out as we're doing it. And so that's pretty much all there is to this Lishi. It's very easy to pick, and it decodes pretty much spot on. At least the few times I've used it anyway. And then here's the cut key, which again, you can check that out in the next video of this key actually being cut. Kind of similar to HU 100. It's a little bit wider of a blank. Go put it in there to show you that the key actually works perfectly. And so there we go. That's the K5 Lishi, picking and decoding a 2021 Kia K5. And like always, if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.